This is problem 8-74. Solve 16 to the power x plus 2 equals 8 to the x. I'm going to rewrite this here. And we could use logs to solve this, since we have our exponent is the variable. However, it's going to be actually easier to do it a different way. So what we're going to do is make the bases, the 16 and this 8, be the same number. And if you remember that, let's say, for example, if it's 3 to the x equals 3 squared, well, obviously x has to be worth 2 if these are supposed to be equal. So we want to get those, the 16 and the 8 to be the same number, and then we won't have to worry about those anymore. We can just focus on the exponents. So we're going to try to make 16 and 8 be the same base. So what we know multiplies up to 16, and 8, we can get a 2 to the something power, right? 4 multiplies to both of those things, so we want it to have an exponent. So 2 to the 4th power is 16. Now I still have this x plus 2 in the exponent, so we just replaced the 16, so that's what this 2 to the 4th is doing. Okay, everything else stays the same. And then on this side we have 8, we can rewrite that as 2 to the 3rd power, and that's that same thing as before, and it's still times x. I'm going to put this in parentheses up there too. So since we have the bases are the same, this 2 and this 2, we can pretty much forget about those and just rewrite the exponents, including this 4 up here and this 3. So I'm going to just forget about the 2's and rewrite everything. So 4 parentheses x plus 2 equals 3 times x. And that's because over here, if the bases are the same, the exponents must be equal. So these bases are the same, exponent equals this exponent, and that's what we have right here. So now it's just like a regular problem. I'm going to distribute this 4 through, so I have 4x plus 8 equals 3x, okay? And then let's subtract this 3x from both sides. So we get an x plus 8 equals 0. And we're going to move that 8 over, so we're going to get x equals negative 8. Okay? So if you plug that in, that's also a good thing to check. If you plug your equation in, or plug your number into the equation, it should make both sides equal to each other.